The main difference between FZROX and FXAIX is their expense ratio, with FZROX having a 0.00% expense ratio and FXAIX having a 0.02% ratio. This means that FZROX does not charge management fees or related charges to its investors, whereas FXAIX charges its investors a maximum of 0.02% of their total shares, making FZROX more cost-friendly. However, when it comes to investment risk, FXAIX has fewer risks than FZROX. Investment risk is assessed by looking at marketplace fluctuations, volatility, and loss history, presented as drawdowns and risk-adjusted parameters such as Sharpe ratios. FXAIX has a higher Sharpe ratio, lower volatility, and lower drawdowns compared to FZROX, indicating that it has lower investment risk. In terms of dividend yield, FXAIX has higher rates than FZROX, with an average dividend yield of 1.36% over the past 12 months, compared to FZROX's 1.28%. FXAIX has also outperformed FZROX in terms of annual dividend yield for most of the last decade. Despite their differences, the two investments share some similarities. Both have experienced drawdowns of at least 30.00%, which took at least 120 trade sessions to recover from. And they have similar price fluctuations, resulting in volatilities with a slight margin. Ultimately, while FZROX's zero expense ratio is attractive, FXAIX's higher dividend yields and lower investment risk make it the better choice. Please note that the information compared is accurate as of the time of comparison and is subject to change in the future.